Hi everyone, here's another quick SAP Business One tip. Did you know you can set preferred vendors for your items? Preferred vendors are suppliers who regularly provide goods to your company. This feature is helpful when you're processing purchase request or running MRP. To set it up, go to Inventory module, click Item Master Data, then find the item you want to edit. Next, open the Purchasing Data tab and click the three-dot button beside the Preferred Vendor field. In the Preferred Vendor window, select the business partner who will supply the item, then click Update and OK. Don't forget to click Update in the Item Master Data window to save your changes. And that's it! Your preferred vendors are now set. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we upload new SAP Business One tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.